AKBA stock analysis. This is for next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Akebia Therapeutics is actually quite sick, 34% up right now. Generally speaking, all I'm looking to do is just doubling down on this bullish market, in which case, you know, I was already kind of open-minded on this thing here way before that. I've been in the market for 4.5 years, almost five figures investing, courses and mentors. And generally speaking, I mean, I get it. I missed this like a cupcake. And honestly, even if it came down, even if I caught it, I probably would have not traded it just because no rules got met. And generally speaking, as it's sitting higher, like maybe and just maybe, if we see the little pull down opening in the next week, maybe the first half of the week we are pulling down, maybe then in that case I'm going to look to take things further higher. But other than that, I'm not going to be buying randomly. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter, and I'll see you in the next one.